Trump Media just partnered with Crypto.com for their own Bitcoin Treasury, bringing the Zero token back above the blue support line. But what is this partnership all about? Well guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. This video is sponsored by Nova, an upcoming launchpad powered by Kronos. When I was watching the Zero price on my phone, suddenly out of nowhere, I saw this huge candle popping up here. And because we've been battling this blue resistance line for forever now, it really felt like a big relief rally. But in the end, it was all due to this news here. Crypto.com is actually partnering with Trump Media once more, but this time around for its Bitcoin Treasury, which will be a 2.5 billion private placement. And this will be involving 50 institutional investors. So guys, this is quite a big deal for, of course, Crypto.com. We do know that Chris Marszalek, CEO of Crypto.com, has been in talks with Trump for already a few months by now. But I still find it surprising that Trump Media is choosing a company with a headquarter in Singapore for their custody. There are also competitors out there like Gemini and Coinbase that are actually based in the US, and they could also offer the same services, but they're really choosing here for Crypto.com, really again showcasing that Crypto.com is really committing to the US, as you probably can also see here on this picture, and so far it is really paying out. Bitcoin also had quite a rally after hearing the news by going to about 111,000 US dollars. And of course, I would say it makes sense because fundamentally, this is amazing news for Bitcoin because one more company, and also a company with a lot of influence thanks to President Trump, has seen the light and now will use Bitcoin for their reserves. And also 2.5 billion is quite a big liquidity injection for Bitcoin. If I have to take a look there at the charts quickly, I do have to say I do see some warning signs as well, because this kind of seems to be like a double top pattern here for Bitcoin. And if that plays out, we actually will go to the downside once more. To be fair though, we've had 7 green weekly candles so far for Bitcoin. So if you get one small red candle, that wouldn't hurt that much. And it also would give some room for Ethereum to finally start shining again. That would also have its effect on a Bitcoin dominance. But more about that, guys, after a quick word of today's sponsor. Nova Fox is an upcoming launchpad and also a game on the Kronos chain, but also Solana. The launchpad has been activated and the foundation is built, and soon we also will get the NFX token launch. NFX will be in the middle of all the fun in the game and also on the launchpad, with only 100 million fixed supply with deflationary mechanisms, audited by Certic, so really a great feed-forward token, and also it will have real utility across launchpad access, staking, and AI-powered GameFi. So guys, great thing, check it out. All links will be in the description down below. Anyways, let's get back to the Bitcoin dominance chart. And as expected also, we kind of had a nice rejection of this trend line here. So I can still make the argument that Bitcoin season has already ended and that now we are heading into the altcoin season once more. I can also see the first effects of that already here on Crow Bitcoin, because today we can see a nice green candle so far, almost bringing us back with this wick, of course, into this zone once more. So do I still believe, guys, that we have seen the lows for Crow Bitcoin? I definitely think so. But of course, time will have to tell. But so far, it is definitely looking great for altcoins, in particular right now, Ethereum. The last sentence is also very important because I do believe that money will first flow from Bitcoin into Ethereum and only later into smaller altcoins like Zero. So guys, don't get scared if Ethereum starts moving like crazy and Crow is left behind. There might be first opportunity into Ethereum and then in Crow, but it will come like it also did back in 2021. But of course, that is only my take and no financial advice. I have learned my wisdom though from years of trading, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to learn more in the future for yourself as well. And also, if you want to learn more about Crow, definitely check out this video as well.